If you're into graphic designing or video editing or both, this video is going to be very helpful for you guys, because in this video I'll be talking about 3 websites that are must visits for people who are into graphic designing or video editing. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing to my channel and dropping a like if you like my content, and let's see if I can get 20 likes for this video. I'll be back after the intro. Okay, so the first website that we're going to be talking about is called remove.bg. I think some of you guys already know about this website. This website helps you remove backgrounds instantly. So just type in remove.bg on your search bar and it will land you here. And from this moment on, it's pretty self-explanatory. So what you have to do is just click on this image, and I'm going to be using an image with a lot of busy background so that you can understand how good this website actually is. So I'm going to be using a photo of Lionel Messi, an old photo of Lionel Messi, so that with busy background, so that you can understand how well this website works. So what you have to do is just select this image and just click open, and from this moment on it will automatically do your job, and just like that it removes the background in seconds. So this is the original image, this is the remove background image. So just click on this download option. If you want to download HD, you have to log in or sign up, and you have to buy the subscription, but the free version is pretty good as well. So just click on download and it will automatically download in your download folder. And if you zoom in a bit, you can see it has done quite well in terms of removing background. So yeah, if you're in a serious time crunch for creating a Photoshop project like this, you can always count on this website. I have used it multiple times and I've created lots of Photoshop projects using this website, and you can't tell apart which was done with Photoshop and which was done with remove.bg. So it's quite handy when it comes to time crunches. So yeah, check it out. Link will be given in the description. So moving on to the next website. Okay, so the second website that we're going to talk about is called fontmeme.com. This website is actually very helpful for people who are looking for fonts, because Fontmeme is actually a fonts and typography resource based website. And this website actually has 3 parts. So the first part is called fonts in used, and this section, the fonts in use section, actually features posts about fonts that are used in famous logos, films, TV shows, video games, books and more. If I click here, it will land us here, and from this I can just click on here, and this page will let us know what font was actually used to create the How I Met Your Father poster. So if I go down here, it will say that the title is set in Windsor, which is a display serif typeface originally created by blah blah blah. So it will give you all the available resources and description about the font, and it will let you know if the font is actually available for free or not. So it says here that the Windsor font identified above is not actually available for free, and it will suggest you some fonts that are closer to the actual font that is used here. This second part of the website is actually the most interesting one. If I go to generators, it will give you an online tool for you to create texts. So basically the text generator section features an array of online tools for you to create and edit text graphics easily online. So if I go here, it will land us here, and from this I can just click on anything. For example, if I click on here, it will give me options how I want to create my texts. So if I click Ben, it will give me an option to create text in Ben 10 style and color. So if I write my name like here and press generate, it will give me a text like Ben 10's poster. So it's very neat, and if I right click on it and save this image, I can save it and use it further for my projects or something like that. And you can do it with hundreds of themes. For example, there's Twitter. You can just write your name with Twitter font, and it will actually give you the name of the font, so you can download it if you want. So yeah, this is pretty neat. And the third portion of this website is called collection, which is basically every other font websites. It will give you an option to go through all the fonts they have. So yeah, this is very neat, and I use this for a lot of my projects. You can see right now on the screen that I create text using this website. So yeah, give it a try. I'll give the link in the description. So moving on to the last website. Okay, so the last website that we're going to talk about is called mixkit.co. This website is actually dedicated for the people who are into video editing and stuff like that. And this video is my personal favorite because it's not just your regular stock footage based website. This comes with a lot of resources, and if you have access to this website, you don't have to go anywhere else. So if you just type in mixkit.co, it will land us here, and from this moment on, it's kind of self-explanatory as well, but I'll show you guys around. So there are some categories here in this top right corner. So if I click on video, it will show me free resources, free stock footages, and from here I can just click on any categories that I want to look for. If I want to look for food, I'll click on food, and if I want more concentrated searches, I'll hover around food and it will show me what I specifically need. So if I click on tea, it will show me free resources related to tea. So I can just go here, click on this, and I can just download it from here. So it says low resolution, but the resolution that you will be able to download it is quite good. It's workable, and since it's free, I don't mind. So yeah, so that's that, but that's not the end. So you can also access music from here. There are some very funky, very cool music that are free, completely free. You can search by genre, you can search by mood, you can search by tag, anything. And there are some things like sound effects. You can also look for sound effects from here. There are some free sound effects you can go and download and go nuts. And there are categories for sound effects as well in here. And the best part about this website is this template option. So if I click on templates, it will show me software specific templates. For example, this is for Premiere Pro, this is for After Effects, and you can do concentrated searches from here as well. If I click on Premiere Pro from here, it will only show me templates that are for Premiere Pro. And if you want to make further concentrated searches, you can just click here. See, it says here in Premiere Pro. So if I just search for lower thirds, it will show me lower thirds that will work only in Premiere Pro. So all the lower thirds that you're seeing in this video, I downloaded the resources from here and I used it in my video. So let me know in the comments if you want me to show how to use this lower thirds in a video. I'll make a video on that as well. So yeah, this website is completely nuts. I use it every day for my video projects, and I hope you guys will use it too. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video and the video was helpful. If it was, consider liking my video and leave a comment if it was helpful, and let me know any suggestion that you have or any other resources that you would want to share with the community. I'll be back with a new video soon. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.